Oh my god, I'm back. It's been 84 years. It's been forever. It truly has. It's been about 8 months is what I just saw in my last video. And y'all, I had to take a break. I had a mental breakdown. And I'm laughing now because I can laugh now, but I had some moments. Okay, I had to take some time. I had to figure out myself, who I was, where I was, what I was doing, if I was coming or going. I don't even know. And I came back to the place that felt right and felt like home and felt like where I belonged. And that's here on YouTube, and that's creating content and being creative and being an artist and sharing my knowledge. And it just feels good to be back and to do something that is just so precious to me. And that's this half up, half down hairstyle that has gotten me through this entire year. I don't think y'all understand. It is the fastest hairstyle. It is so simple, so sleek, and it's gotten me through. It's truly gotten me through. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss videos, because I'm gonna be dropping these videos now that I'm back, okay? Now that I am here, all right? So anyway, this half up, half down hairstyle has been saving my life, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, and it's so fast and will save your life. Also, when it comes to Zoom calls, running out the house quickly, and just looking like an overall bad bitch real quick, real easy. So let's get into it. Okay, so I like to start out with my hair blown out because it's just easier to manage that way. It's easier for me to sleep at night. It helps with tangles and things like that. You don't need to have your hair blown out, but it definitely helps with the sleekness and the smoothness of the look. So let's go ahead and start the parting. So for a half up, half down, of course, you're gonna want half of your hair up and half of your hair down. So I'm just gonna take this little kind of, it's a pattern edge brush, but it has like the rat tail. So we're just gonna get through this. All right, so we have the back basically separated from the front. Now the back is totally up to you. Whatever you want to do with the back is up to you, because the way that this hair is set up, actually, let's get into the way this hair is set up. So it comes like this. This is from Sensationnel, and this is the instant half up and down. And it's 100% premium fiber, includes 1 half wig and 1 pony wrap. It's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can wear it as an updo. You could do it as a pony wrap, or you could do it as a half wig as well as the half up, half down. So you get tons of options. I've worn mine as just a straight ponytail. I've also, of course, worn it as half up, half down. So you get the pony wrap on this side, and then you get the half wig section on this side. And the hair color that I am using is the hair color 4. This is the half wig portion of it. Basically, it's a nice kind of soft wave with a straighter end. I've not opened this before, so this is an unboxing. Very interesting curl straighten situation, but all right, okay, that's what we're going with. And then here's the pony wrap. So it has a comb right here, and then you basically have this tail part right here that you would wrap around to hide the kind of black band that's right here. And then it has like this netting here, so if you have like a braid or so, it just helps it all kind of lay down and not have your braids stick up out, if that makes sense. It's the same texture, so it has that wavy curl straight situation. That's interesting. I'm going with it, okay? Because look, y'all, look how raggedy. When I tell you I wore this curly to the ground, baby, to the ground. And I really wanted to put it on and show you guys, but y'all, oh my god, it's so bad. I don't even know how to fix this. I kept thinking like, should I wash it? Lenny. I keep thinking, should I wash it? Will the curls bounce back? It was only probably like 26 bucks, so I really should just go on Amazon and buy like 4 more packs of this because this has been my go-to look, but I wore it to the ground. So I couldn't show you guys this look. I had to show you a fresh pack because like, that's just not right. That's just not right. Let's put on the other one, this new one. What we can do, you can either literally just ponytail bun, you can braid it down, you can do whatever it is that's in your heart. I think for the sake of this video and the sake that it really just does not matter what you do, I'm just gonna ponytail it down because let's save some time. And I feel like that's what a lot of y'all are gonna wanna do, is save time. So we can just, I'm not gonna brush it all the way through because my hair is just too thick for this brush. So just gonna kind of slick it. And then we could do low bun. Just like that. It does not matter because you are not gonna see it. It's not gonna matter. It's not gonna matter. So let's take the half wig part. So there are 2 clips right here at the top, and then you have 2 clips at the bottom, and then you have a drawstring to make it tighter. So it's like literally the best thing ever in the world. I cannot believe I didn't discover this sooner. Like literally the best in the world. What I'm gonna do is just take the 2 combs at the top and just boom, and then fit it over my little bun. Take the 2 combs at the bottom. I know you guys can't see it, but it's literally just so simple. Like you will have no issues doing this at home. So it's barely not even a tutorial, but mostly just like, let's do this. So that's it. Half wig on, done. Look at that. Like, are you serious? Done. Done. Okay, not done because like, but done. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to finesse the top. Because my texture is a little thick, I don't wanna just slick it like that because then I start getting this humpy, puffy situation. I like doing it in layers. Layers looks nice. It looks nice and neat. So in order to do that, what I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair because we like moisture. This is the tgin, TGIN. Just keep saying that over and over again. Buttercream Daily Moisturizer, has shea butter, vitamin E. I love a buttercream. I'm a fan of a buttercream, always with a buttercream. So it doesn't necessarily matter which brands, but I love buttercreams for my hair type because it's thicker. So I like a thicker kind of cream. Get the ends, really saturate that. And the moisture is good. So let's get some gel. Now the gel part's important. I really like Eco Styler. I've been using the Argan Oil Eco Styler and the gold one. The gold one is trash. Don't ever buy the gold one. That was a big mistake. I think that's the castor oil one. Trash. Get the red one if you want to get an Eco Styler. But running low, and I wanted a more kind of healthier alternative, so we're going with the main choice, Pearly Braid-Out Glaze. That's what it's called? Okay, but yeah, so we're gonna use that gel. I hate the way it smells, but it's a really good gel. So let's just take a little bit of this, and I like to start in the back. So we're just gonna take the gel, smooth it, and we're doing this in layers and sections. So we're just smoothing. And if it's easier for you guys to see, it's basically, this is how thick this little chunk is in the back. Just like a little chunk, and just smoothing like that. We can take our brush, just try to take some of these hairs out so it looks nice and clean. Just smooth, boom, boom. And then this is the secret sauce, y'all. You need this in your life. You need it in your life. If you have my hair texture, if you have a 4 A, B, C, D, you need this in your life. I cannot believe I didn't find it sooner. It is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Braid Lock Twist Gel. First of all, so it's thick. It's real thick. But it needs a moisture component to really get that slickness. And you'll see once I get closer to the front what I'm talking about. So you can just apply it to the dry, but it works so much better when there's something wet like a gel and then you put this on top. It's so thick, like a paste. And then you just smooth it in. And it's like, oh my goodness. I was using it for all my slick back like ponytails, and my hair actually started growing. Like, I don't know if it's the castor oil in it, but it started growing, and the front started growing, and now my front is like longer. My bangs grew out. Like, what? It's so good. So, okay, we have a new section. We're gonna take that gel because that's the wet component I was talking about. Gel, and then we're gonna take some of the castor oil, this one. We're gonna take some of this one and just lock in the gel with this. And you'll see as I go what I'm talking about when I say the slickness, okay? So that's that section. Let's move on to this side. Okay, so let's just go ahead and speed this up because literally all I'm doing is adding the blue gel, which is the wet gel, and then adding the drier gel right on top to seal it in, and doing it in small sections. So there was no reason for you guys to watch me do this in real time because, you know, but I also didn't want to cut it out because I wanted you guys to see how small these sections were. And the smaller the section, the more sleek it's going to be. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so once we get to that final section, then what I like to do is I'm gonna really start to sleek it back. So I wanna get my baby hairs out first because they will lock into place. So just, and with little tension because like I said, it locks. So just go with the grain, don't pull because you can rip if you're not gentle. So just be gentle. Now let's snatch. What I also kind of recommend is if you have one of those anchor ties, you can use an anchor tie. I don't feel like I need it. I have them, but I don't think it really is necessary. And then what I like to do is braid my hair down just so it's not all over the place. And then I can just take the tail and just tuck it into the scrunchie or get another scrunchie and just wrap around. Okay, so we have this situation, right? Now what we're gonna do is take our ponytail wrap is what it's called. And it has this section here that we're just gonna kind of leave out. This is what's gonna wrap around the pony. So I take the little comb here, and then I just stick it right here in the middle. So I'm just gonna wrap, and then once I get to this part with the pony wrap, then I can just smooth, and I just smooth it in. See, like I want it to look like photo shoot hair. That's always my goal. My goal is like, does this look like I'm at a photo shoot? If it does, then I did my job. So just gonna wrap it nicely, and then you'll just pin it to the back here. Okay, cute, done. So now what we're gonna do is finesse our baby hairs a little bit. I like to get a little bit of the gel with my edge brush. Because like I said, you need that moisture. It's a combo, okay? It's a combo. So the combo requires the moisture, and then you lock it with the castor oil gel. Boom, you see that? And this is gonna stay all day, okay? Wipe off all your bronzer. Now, if you don't like baby hairs, I don't know why, but if you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to do baby hairs. You'd be done. This hairstyle would be done. You'd be done. A few moments later. There we go. Yeah! Okay, so I had feelings about it being wavy straight, but in person it looks cute, and I think on camera it looks cute as well, I hope. Let's do the full rotation. Yes, oh yes. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's long, let's show. Oh, hopefully you guys won't see my pants. Look how long, it's so long. It's so long. But yeah, that's the final look. Oh my God. I love it. It's actually really cute. I was a little bit worried about that curly straight, but it looks good. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. So that's my hair for the day. And this will be like my new go-to until I can get some of that curly in. Oh, actually, about that curly, it's in the style UD10. And I'm gonna go ahead and order like 5 more packs. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Leave your comments down below. I love reading your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that way you guys can see more hair tutorials, more beauty tutorials, more lifestyle, more vlogging, more everything. And oh, by the way, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment if you guys want to see me install these. These are boho locks. They just came in. It's the Boho Goddess Ice Latte. All right. Oh my God. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up if you guys want to see me do this tutorial because gagalicious. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.